Shortly after rolling out the January security patch to the Galaxy Note 8, Samsung has started pushing out a new update to its flagship smartphone, carrying the build number of N950FXXU3BRA8. The update is currently hitting units in Brazil and France. The changelog only mentions improved security. It's quite possible that the update includes fixes for the Meltdown and Spectre security vulnerabilities, as Verizon Note 8 recently received these fixes through an update. Have you received the update? If you notice any changes, let us know in comments below. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.